You don't know how to remove video background in CapCut on your PC, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can remove video background in CapCut with just a click of a button. Do well to subscribe to the channel and stay with me till the end of the video. Inside your editor, CapCut editor, you import your video, you send your video to the canvas and you make sure it is selected, and after that you come to a video section here. Make sure the video is selected here, and you come down here, you have basic, and beside that basic you see cutout. You click on that and you have two options here. You have chroma key and then you have auto cutout here. This auto cutout is useful when you have multiple colors of video background, and it will do just that for you. When you check on this button, it will automatically remove all the background colors for you. But if it is a single background color like this, you are supposed to use chroma key. So when you check on this, you have this option which is color picker, and you click on the pencil beside it. After that, you send your cursor to where you want to remove the background. You can see like this, and you click on it and you have this option on the right side here. You can use this button here to change or to remove the background, which is the strength, and you can give it a shadow. Also, you can use this up and down button here to also remove it. It also works perfectly fine. So this is how you remove the background of your video in CapCut on your PC. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that when I upload video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.